Hey Poshmark sellers! Want to boost your sales and hit six figures? Here are 17 expert tips to maximize your Poshmark game. Tip 1. Quality photos. Use natural light and clear backgrounds for high-quality images. Tip 2. Detailed descriptions. Include brand, size, condition, and unique features in your listings. Tip 3. Competitive pricing. Research similar items to price competitively but reasonably. Tip 4. Share consistently. Share your listings daily and participate in Poshmark parties. Tip 5. Customer service. Respond quickly to questions and offer friendly service. Tip 6. Cross-listing. Expand your reach by listing items on multiple platforms. Tip 7. Relist stale items. Keep your closet fresh by relisting items that haven't sold. Tip 8. Offer discounts. Use Poshmark's offer to likers feature to entice buyers. Tip 9. Bundle deals. Encourage multiple item purchases with bundle discounts. Tip 10. Use keywords. Optimize listings with popular search keywords. Tip 11. Attend virtual parties. Engage in Poshmark's themed virtual parties for more visibility. Tip 12. Shipping prep. Package items neatly and include a thank you note. Tip 13. Track trends. Stay updated on fashion trends and adjust your inventory accordingly. Tip 14. Connect on social media. Promote your closet on Instagram, Facebook, and Pinterest. Tip 15. Join Poshmark groups. Network with other sellers for tips and support. Tip 16. Analyze your sales. Review what's selling and adjust your strategy. Tip 17. Stay positive. Persistence and a positive attitude are key to long-term success. Follow these tips to elevate your Poshmark business. Happy selling! Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tips. Thanks for watching.